This raw vegan dessert recipe is a must-have. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make raw vegan cinnamon rolls. These are oil-free and sugar-free. These are a perfect alternative to reach for when you are craving a pastry. Now, these are one dessert that I enjoy on holiday mornings. So the first ingredient is 1.5 cups of oat flour. And I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of almond flour. Next, we're going to put in the dates. A little bit of almond milk. A dash of cinnamon. And your tablespoon of nut butter of choice. I am using walnut and cashew butter. I'm going to use a good tablespoon. Okay, so now that we have the dough, it's a nice, perfect consistency. You can it's very malleable in your hand. So now we're just going to pat it down and we're going to roll it out with our rolling pin. So this is what the first layer of the cinnamon roll is going to look like. You just roll it out into a rectangle. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the filling. So to do this, we're going to add to the food processor your dates, your almond milk, your almond butter of choice. I'm going with walnut and cashew butter, a dash of cinnamon, and some vanilla extract to taste. And one thing you want to be careful, you're going to want to eat this right away, but we're going to put this in the freezer for about an hour before we roll and cut it. So just be patient. Now I'm just going to slowly roll this out. Okay, so now that we have everything spread out, we're going to roll it. So you're just going to slowly from each end, just curve it on over using the parchment paper. And you're just going to roll it slowly right upon itself. Roll it into one piece. And we're going to freeze it just like this for about ½ an hour. And then we're going to come back and we're going to cut. Okay, so I went ahead and I made some icing for the cinnamon rolls. Now to make this into the blender, I put cashews and a little bit of coconut water, and that's it. The cinnamon rolls are sweet enough, so I didn't feel like it needed too much extra sweetener. So here you have the raw vegan cinnamon rolls. These are absolutely delicious. I hope you give them a try.